We've been doing tumor boards at Sanford for many years here. They started out as just a general tumor board for multiple different cancer types, but now as we've become more specialized, our tumor boards are focused on specific cancers like lung cancer, head and neck cancer, breast cancer. But over the past several years, we've really seen the importance of genetic and genomic testing, and we've actually adapted our tumor board around that. So we now have a molecular or genomic tumor board that we developed at Sanford.
I always tell patients it's all of our smartest people. So our pathologists, our radiologists, our medical oncologists, our radiation oncologists, our surgeons, and a whole variety of other people from clinical research, genetics. We have nurses, nurse practitioners, and other physicians that may be involved in the patient's care as well.
Everyone is involved and they ask for contributions from everyone, and that's what makes it really robust and really able to dig down and find exactly what's the best thing for that patient.
Our molecular tumor board has really been the biggest evolution of our tumor board, and that's really where we've seen a lot of promise. What we decided as a group is with the number of genetic tests and genomic testing available out there right now, we wanted an organized system to actually review those and give treatment recommendations. So that was our biggest advance, and that's really been a huge focus of ours over the past couple of years here.
You know, as an oncology nurse, I'm thrilled to see the advancements. We're starting to recognize patients' tumors as types of tumors by their mutation instead of you have lung cancer, you have breast cancer, you have this specific mutation, and we're really working to target that specifically.
The best thing about our tumor board is its accessibility. I think the fact that we have this available very frequently and it's available to all of our sites, it's really nice for our physicians. So if you are a physician that's practicing in a smaller area, you have access to this team to really help you review the case. I think that's really what sets it apart. I've been involved in tumor boards at other places and they're not as accessible as this. I think this is something that's it's very available, and if you're a patient anywhere within our network, you have access to it.
Dr. Powell is still extremely integral, but he has taught well his colleagues and his partners, and so everyone participates, and someone else might throw up the little schematic of how this particular cancer is working in that patient and how we can interrupt that flow.
And Dr. Powell has been very passionate about immunogenomics, and so we've identified certain patients based on their genomic profile that will benefit from immunotherapy, and so it's really become kind of a blended tumor board maybe, in that we are doing a lot of education also about immunotherapy as we present those patients. Again, that's a part of oncology care that is moving at a rapid speed.
We can help your body to actually fight the cancer itself. And we have these immunotherapy trials that open it up for all patients.
Absolutely, I think our patients love it. It is a great service to have. They basically are able to see their clinician and get a group opinion on the best treatment options. So I think every patient really enjoys having this opportunity, because you know at the end of the day you're getting the best treatment possible based on that group decision.
And so they are very tuned into this is really important, and it's important. It's great that I have all of these other opinions, all of these other people looking at just my situation and developing a plan just for me. And so I think people are comforted by that.
As a nurse and as a professional, this has probably been one of the most fulfilling projects that I've worked on. It's been really wonderful to see Sanford come together and develop something so unique and so important for their patients within the community. I think it's just a good example of what we can accomplish.